मैं ये कहूँगी कि बहुत बातें की गई कि मोदी जी, ट्रंप जी बहुत अच्छे मित्र हैं और मोदी जी ने ऐसे क्यों होने दिया? क्या हम अपना जहाज नहीं भेज सकते थे उनको लेने के लिए? इस तरह से क्या इंसानों के साथ बर्ताव किया जाता है कि उनको हथकड़ियाँ पहना के, बेड़ियाँ पहना के भेजा यहाँ पे?
क्या विदेश मंत्री को जवाब देना चाहिए? विदेश मंत्री
उनको जवाब देना चाहिए, प्रधानमंत्री जी को जवाब देना चाहिए। ये कोई तरीका है क्या?
So we are protesting precisely this issue, that the manner in which the US did what they did was really unacceptable. We believe they have a legal right to deport people who are illegally in their country. And if they are proven to be Indian nationals, we have a legal obligation to admit them, to accept them in our country. But the manner in which it was done, in handcuffs, squeezed into a military aircraft, in such an abrupt manner, that is not acceptable. Under the Biden administration last year, 1,100 Indians were deported. There was no incident, no such humiliation, no problem. They came back and we were quietly able to reabsorb them back in their own country. Today, what we saw yesterday was really very difficult for us to swallow. As Indians, our self-respect is actually in peril here because of the way in which the manner in which this was conducted. He is going to be in the US next week, and we certainly hope that he conveys strongly to the Americans even before that while they can send people back, they have every legal right, they cannot do it in this.
The standing committee yesterday we had deliberations, discussions about this grave crisis that is looming over India, and it is grossly unfortunate, condemnable that basic dignity was not shown to the Indians who were deported. They were handcuffed, brought in military aeroplane. The Indian government should have impressed upon the Trump administration to show basic courtesy, and we should have arranged their transportation from US to India. And even small countries are protesting against it, but Indian government hasn't responded so far. And for Mr. Narendra Modi, Trump is dear friend. But what is his dear friend doing?